everybody and welcome back to KikiKolour. So today I'm going to be doing fan art for a new horror game that's recently come out called Poppy Playtime. And so Poppy Playtime, like I said, is this new horror puzzle action game. I think that's the genre. I know that it's definitely puzzle and definitely horror, but you know, sometimes they call it action, sometimes they call it adventure. Anyway, I'm just going to say it's a horror puzzle. Anyway, I'll get off that. So I'm going to be drawing Poppy from Poppy Playtime. So in Poppy Playtime, so far there's only chapter 1 out with the trailer for chapter 2. And the only characters we have really been introduced to is Huggy Wuggy and Poppy, and obviously there's some other characters that seem like we're going to get introduced to later on, like Kissy Missy and stuff like that. As you can see there, that is Poppy Playtime, well, Poppy from Poppy Playtime on the left, like the official. And so as you can tell, she is a doll, and so I did her skin grey with like pinky corally shadows since I wanted her to not look lifeless. Plus they kind of seem to do that kind of shading with Poppy from Poppy Playtime, so I just thought I'd do that. Anyway, yes, so like I said, we haven't been introduced to many characters, but I really liked Poppy's, I keep calling her Poppy Playtime, but I really liked Poppy's design. Thought it was really pretty, and her like lifelike eyes look really cool, and I really wanted to, draw her. I thought her outfit was really cute, and I just really liked her design. Plus, I really liked the game. I haven't actually played it since it's only on Steam, and I do not play on Steam. I haven't played it, but I have watched the gameplay and things like that. I like watching all the theory videos. Anyway, that's off topic. So now I'm shading her hair, and the hair took me such a long time. The pigtails took me so long. I swear they took me like the most time in this artwork. Like, I feel like in this artwork it was that hair that took me so long, and the rest was like so quick for some reason. I don't know, it's just the hair took me like the main bulk of the time I spent on this artwork. Just took so long. So I decided to just do a simple purple background to finish it off. I feel like it needed a little background, but I didn't want to do any actual patterns. I didn't want to take away from Poppy herself, so I did purple because I thought that that contrasted really nicely against the blue, grey and red colour scheme of her. And so here is the final product. This is such a fun artwork to draw. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below and hit that notification bell if you want more content like this. Ta-ta!